Hi, I'm Teena Stewart. I'm an artist, and I don't come on camera very often, but I thought I would give it a shot. And I wanted to talk about a new painting I've done. It's fairly new. It's called Red Dog, and I'll show it to you right now. It's a mixed media painting, which means it's got multiple medias used. And I combined by using cutouts from advertisements and glue them onto the canvas, Mod Podging them on. And then I traced the picture of the red dog on there, cut around it to give me a blank canvas inside the dog, painted it with red acrylic paint, outlined it with black ink, and then put the word, there's a quote on there. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it is a quote by Mark Twain. And it says, "Heaven goes by favor. If it went by merit, you would stay out and your dog would go in." And I think that says a lot about our pets, that they are very loving and really deserving of an environment like heaven when they pass away. We all love our pets, and that's one of the reasons I do so many animal things. And this one is available as not only a print, but as an original. The prints come in a variety of sizes on a variety of mediums, and also it's available through my Etsy gift shop. If you go to my website and you click the gifts tab, it will take you to my Etsy shop, and you can order coasters that are hardboard. You get 4 coasters of this print in a set, very glossy. So it's like a type of wood almost, and they're very classy. So if you have any questions, you're welcome to send me a Facebook message, and feel free to browse around my website while you're at it.